Alright, here we go. It's so dusty right now. No, it doesn't have a scent. I'm glad you're relaxing. It's my secret. It's one thing I'm keeping close to my heart. No, I don't use mica powder. I couldn't imagine. Mica powder for a tiny, small little thing is like $8. I couldn't imagine doing an entire jug of powder with mica powder. You'd need like, oh God, like 5 of them at least. It's definitely not mica powder or cans. If I were to sell this, I could sell the entire jug for $6. There's no way you can color that much with mica powder and have a profit with $6. Kool-Aid. I wonder if Kool-Aid would color it, but wouldn't it like stain everything else? Definitely not mac and cheese powder. Can we just stop guessing? My goodness. I just asked for respect on that and nobody's respecting that. Yeah, I can do any color. I don't gatekeep anything. I'm allowed to have one secret that I'm trying to make a business on. I tell everybody where I get everything. I help, I edit, I give every question asked. So I asked for one thing to keep to myself and now I'm gatekeeping. Okay. You do not have to stay here, that's for sure. I'm allowed to have one thing to myself. Like, do people that sell sponges go and tell where they get their stuff? No, because they have a business and they're trying to do a business, and that's what I'm in the works of. I should never even have pulled out the color powder. I knew this was gonna happen. Yeah, but when you start calling me a gatekeeper and that I'm trying to guess the product when I ask for respect, it just gets overwhelming. And I'm definitely the furthest thing from a gatekeeper. Yeah, I've been working really hard with somebody to try to make this a business. I'm trying all different colors and brands with her. Yeah, if they want to try mica powder, go for it. You're going to use a lot to color it. I'm not like anything. Yeah, I'm trying to sell it. I'll be able to sell it for $6 a bag.